In this video, we are going to report the distinct titles of a kids-friendly movie streamed in June 2024. Hello, this is Jagan from Grow with Data. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I will be happy. Welcome to the 25th video of our Advanced SQL 50 interview question series. We have different topics to cover, and now we continue with the sorting and grouping related question. This video will be tagged in Advanced SQL 50 questions playlist, and the code we discuss in this video will be uploaded to the GitHub. The link for the GitHub page will be in the video description part. Now let's see the data set and we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given two tables. One is the content, the other one is the TV program. So the content is like a lookup table for the video contents. If you see this, we have a content ID, which is a unique identifier for this table, and what is the title of the content and whether it's a kids friendly or not, and what is the content type, whether it's a movie or a series. If you see this, the content ID 1, it's a title named as Aladdin, whether it's kids friendly or not. So no is it's not kids friendly. Aladdin is supposed to be kids friendly, but still, and it's a movie. The second one is the algebra for kids, and it's a yes, that means it's a kids friendly, and it's not a movie, it's a series. And same like this, it's not a kids friendly and it's a series. If we grow with data, it's a kids friendly and it's a movie. Same way for Cinderella and Pokemon, it's a kids friendly and movie and a series respectively. If you go to the TV program, we got which date the TV program is broadcasting, and then what is the content and which channel it got broadcasted. So if we see the first one, the content is 1, which is the Aladdin movie, and the second one is 2 and 3. 2 is algebra for kids and then database source. Let's create the table and we can align this data. Okay, now let's see what is the ask. So what they're asking us to do is we have to report the distinct titles of the kids friendly movie streamed in June 2024. So let me put it here. So what they're asking us to do is you report the distinct title of the kids friendly movie streamed in June 2024, right? So this is what the question is. So if you break down this question, it's a distinct title, right? So this is the ask, this is the end result, and what are the conditions? Let's put this way. The condition is, first one is it's a kids friendly, right? So first one is should be a kids friendly. Second one is it's supposed to be a movie and it's broadcast on June 2024, right? So what we have to do is we have to apply these three conditions and we have to get the distinct of the titles. Let's see how to do that. Let's comment this out. Okay, so we have content as well as the TV program. Let's start with the TV program. That got the more details, right? So select from TV program. So the TV program, we can get the content ID. We don't need the channel, right? So you can just say the content ID, which is content underscore ID. We can say T. Since we are going to connect with the other tables, we just put the alias name. So we get the T dot content ID from the TV program. So we get all the IDs. So the first condition we put is it should be in June 2020. So what I can do, I can say where T dot the program date, right? Between it's on June 2024, right? So we say 2024 0601 starting and 2024 0630. So if I filter this out, I got only 1, 4, 4 and 9. If you see this 1, yes, and then it's 4 4, yes, and then 9. So 9, this one is not eligible, and this one is. So we take it here. So we got 4 records which is on June 2024. So this one is eliminated because it's on May, and this one is on July, and this one is on May. So only eligible records are this 4. So that is the first one. Second one is it's a movie streamed. So movie stream, we have to go to the contents table and we can see whether it's a movie or a series, right? So I say inner join because we have to check the condition. So both are connected with the content ID. C.content ID equal to T.content ID. So we connect the TV program with the contents table. Now what we need whether it's a movie or not, right? So it's a content type. So we can get the date here. So T dot program date and then C dot content type. So if we run this, I can see the content type is movies and there is one series. So we need only the movies. So what we say, C dot content type and C dot content type equal to movies, right? And the next condition is it's a kids friendly. So kids friendly means what? We have the kids content flag, yes and no, right? So yes means it's a kids friendly, no means it's not. So we are adding the other condition, C dot kids content equal to yes. So we can check what is the condition for this without this filter. So all these 3 movies got kids content, no, yes, yes. So no is 1. 1 is allowed in, as we already spoke, right? Allowed supposed to be kids, but we just gave us no, right? So allowed should be filtered. So we just say and the kids content is yes. So I got the content ID, the program, movies, and all this, which is not required. They are looking for the movie name or movie title. So the expected output, we can just put it here. So the expected output is going to be the title, which is grow with data. Let's see. We can see the value later, but we need the title. So title we can get from the contents table. Title. We run this. A lot of things. I can just take the data out and the content type is out. Okay. So the title is going to be grow with data. I don't need any of these, right? Only the title. But it's a duplicate one, right? Because if you see here, eligible one, we got 4, 2 4s. So we go to 4, grow with data. So you get this one with grow with data and this one is again grow with data. So it's going to be duplicates. So to eliminate the duplicate, you can simply say distinct. So it will remove the duplicates. If you don't want to put distinct here, you can simply say group by 1. C dot title is the right way. Title, title, group by. So you can put distinct or you can put group by, however you want. So when we ask for the question, we got the 3 keywords: kids friendly, movie, streamed in June 2024. Streamed in, you can move it here, make more sense. So these are the 3 conditions they asked for. So we join this table, TV program and the content, and we make sure all the content IDs are connected. And then we say the program is only on June. And then what is the content type, as a movie or a series? And then the kids friendly, yes means it's a kids content, Y means So y means it's kids content, n means it's not, so we put y. So this date function, right? So this is kind of tricky. We can do it in many ways. So we can just see which one is easy for you. Sorry. So here we say a program date, right? I can simply say the left of the program date 7. 7 means it like 1, 2, 3, 4 hyphen 5, 6, 7. So it stops here, year and month. So I say this left of the date should be 2024-06, right? Only the June month. When I run this, I get the same result, right? So you can put between, or you can have the left part of it. There is one more way we can do it. They extract the year and month. I can say where the extract part of year month from the program date, t dot program date, it should be equal to 2024 June. If I run this, I get the same result. So there are many ways you can play around with the dates. So I prefer going with the between, which is the standard way of doing it, or you can just go with the extract and left of the program. Both are almost the same, right? So I mostly go with the between class, which is a standard way of doing the SQL. Okay, so if you want to see this code and practice, then all the contents will be in the GitHub. You go to the playlist, this video will be in the advanced SQL 50 question series. So in this video, if you go to the description part here, yeah, so that will carry the GitHub for this video. So we are talking about the 25th video now. That video will have the 25th file. So we have the create statement of both the files and what is expected, and how we build the SQL, and a different way of manipulating the dates. You can practice this and see how comfortable you are with the date function. Okay. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there's a link here. You can use this and join Growth Data WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.